friends. This is class Adda and I am Pritham. Okay, so we are continuing our classes. This is third lecture on polynomials, and today I will cover exercise 2.5. Okay, so before starting this chapter, I will explain some of the identities, algebraic identities, which I have written here. Just pause the video and continue write these identities. I hope you know all these identities before. The first one is x plus y whole square. That one I can write x square plus 2ab, that is 2xy plus y square. And second one is x minus y whole square. That is just instead of plus here it is instead of minus. And second one x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. And the third one is x plus a into x plus b. So in this case I just check a b is here and in here x plus b into x. Okay, now x plus y plus z whole square, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, and x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, and later on. And then similarly x minus y whole cube, also this one. And there is a new equation, the identity is this one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now we are starting exercise 2.5, and where we requirement I will again discuss all these identities. Okay, you guys just pause the video and write these identities, and these identities are familiar to you guys. Okay, so let's start with exercise 2.5. What is exercise 2.5 states? First question is, exercise 2.5. Okay, the question number 1. I'm try to some tricky questions. So first, the basic part. Suppose I'm taking question number 2. What is the question they are asking? X plus 8 and x minus 8. X plus 8 into x minus 10. Okay, so which identity I will apply here? It is like that: x plus a into x plus b, so equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus l. This identity I will put here. So what is a here? A is 8. What is b here? B is minus 10. Okay, so let's continue. So the x square plus a plus b. So what will be the a? 8 plus b. So plus b means minus 10. So minus 10, I can write this in the form of like that, into x plus a into b. A means 8, b in means minus 10. So what will be the result? X square plus 8 minus 10 into x minus 80. So it's come x square minus 2x minus 80. So this should be the answer. Okay. So exactly I apply these identities here and I will get the results here. Okay, I hope this will be clear. Similar way, I am doing another question, which is question number 3. So instead of here, there is a little trick they have given. They have mentioned 3x plus 4, and another is given 3x minus 5. Okay, so same identity I can apply here, but here instead of x they have given 3x. So remaining instead of x I will write 3x. The remaining everything will be same. So what will be the formula is x square, that is 3x square plus a plus b. So a means 4, b means minus 5, and this is 3x plus ab. A means 4 and b means minus 5. Okay, so the result of 3x. Okay, so the result will be 9x square plus 4 minus 5 into 3x minus 20. So it's come 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So this is the answer. Okay. Exactly the same. So instead of x here it is, we have to put 3x. Okay. Now let's move on next problem. Next problem is question number 4. What does question number 4 is means? Question number 4 is y square plus 3 by 2, then y square minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this question is exactly like that. This is x plus a into x minus a equal to x square minus x square. Okay, so here instead of x it is y square, and instead of x it is 3 by 2. So x square, x plus a into x minus b. So this should be written as x square minus s square. So I can write this is x square. So instead of x this is y square. So y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this come y to the power of 4 minus 3 is a 9 by 4. Okay, this is the answer. So in this way I can do other problems also. So I left 2 other questions that will be your home tasks, and if you feel any problem or face any problem, then you can write on comment section. Okay, now we are moving towards question number 2. What does question number 2 tells? They have given the number, but without direct multiplication I have to do the multiplication. That means I have to evaluate the results. So question number 2, I just do one problem and remaining all are same. Suppose I'm doing question number 3. So they have given what? 104 and 96. Okay. So now I have to evaluate this one without direct multiplication. We can do direct multiplication, but they have used unique identities. So which identity I can do? So I have to arrange this one in such a way that I can apply some identities. So what kind of identities I can apply here? So I can write 104 as a 100 plus 4, and whereas this one I can write 100 minus 4. So now this coming, so you see this is 100, this is also 100, plus 4 minus 4. So it's coming in the form of like this as before, x plus a into x minus a equal to x square minus s square. This formula I can apply here. So it will come x square, that is 100 square minus 4 square. So 100 square means 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 16. So if we have minus 16, that is 4, 8, 9. So it comes and then 8, 4. So in this way I can do others 2 problems. The first one is 103, 107. So I can write this one 100 plus 3 and sorry, first one given 103 and second one is given 107. Okay, so I'll do question number 1 also. It's not the similar kind. The question number 1 was given a form of like that. 103 and multiplication with 107. Okay. Now you cannot arrange this one in the form of like that. So what I can do? I can do this one in the form of like that. 100 plus 3 and this one 100 plus 7. So which identity I can put here? Instead of there, I can put the identities of this one. X plus a into x plus b. So what will be? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So the identity I can apply here. So here what is x? X is 100 and a is 300. So this will be 100 square plus a plus b. That means 3 plus 7 into x. X means 100 and ab plus 3 into 7. So this come 1, 2, 3, 4. So this come 10. this is 1000 and 100 upon 1000 plus 21. So here's 10,000, here 11,000, so 11,000. Okay, so in this way I can do the next problem, 95 and 96. So 95 and 96 I can write 90 plus 6 or 90 minus 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6 in this way. Okay, now let's move on to the question number 3. They have given factorize the following using appropriate identities. Okay, so this is very easy. I'm doing just only one. Question number 3. I'm doing question number 2. So what does question number 2 say? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So you see, so this should not be identities and having these identities. So now this is, I can write 2y whole square, okay, and plus 1. Here 2 into 2y into 1. So now this is A, this is 2, this is A, this is B, because you have to write B square. So this is the identity. So what is the identity? Is this one? So I am writing here x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This formula I can apply here. So it becomes x means 2y minus 1 whole square. This is the answer. Okay, this is very simple. The third one. Okay, third one I'm doing very first. X square minus y square by 100. I can write x square minus y by 10 whole square. This is I can write x plus y by 10, and this is I can write x minus y by 10. Okay, so I just telling one thing. You can check these answers, verify the answers. If something mistakes are there, you just write it in the comment section. I will try to clarify that these things. Okay, and it's better you guys keep your books along with you guys who are seeing this video. Exactly, I am following NCERT books, so NCERT book should be along with you guys who are seeing this video. This will be more easy in this way. Okay, now we are moving towards question number 4. Explain the following using suitable identity. So they have given some problems, and now we have to identify. So each and every question is same. Just I am keeping one question. Question number 4. So I am taking question number 5. Each and every question is same. Just I have taking one. They have given minus 2x plus 5y and plus is minus 3z whole square. So here I know if identity says that x square x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so I have to apply these identities to form okay. Now, so what I can do here, so it will be x square minus 2x whole square plus y square whole square plus minus 3z whole square. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x, x means minus 2x, y means 5y plus 2 into y means 5y, and z means minus 3z plus 2 into z minus 3z into x means minus 2x. Okay, so it will become 4x square plus 25y square, okay, and plus 9z square, plus minus minus 4 plus 20xy, or minus 30yz, minus plus 2 6 2 12x z. So this should be the answer. So in this manner you have to solve the other questions also. Now there is some another tricky question I'm taking up. So I think nothing will be problem here. So I'm skipping few of questions. Okay. Now I'm solving question number 5. Next one is question number 6. So whatever I'm thinking a little tricky, that question I'm picking up and I'm solving that one. So remaining I'm keeping on you guys. I think you will face no problem to solve these questions. And if you still face any problem, don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Okay. Now the question number 6 is written in the form of like that: 1 by 4a minus half b plus 1. This is whole square. So this is exactly the same manner. 1 by 4 into a whole square plus minus half b whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 by 4 a into b. E means minus half into b plus 2 into minus half b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into x. X means 1 by 4 into a. Okay. So it's coming like that: 1 by 16 s square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1 plus 1, and this comes will be if you cut this one by 2, this 2 and 2 2s are 4, so minus 1 by 4 ab, and it's come to cancel, so minus b, and here also plus half a. Okay, so nothing I can do anything more. So this should be the answer. So in this way you have to solve the other questions also. Okay, so the remaining question 1 2 3 4 I have not solved, and this should be solved by yourself. Now I'm moving towards question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that factorize the following identities with respect to some. So first I'm looking, there is 2 questions they have given. I'm picking up question number 2 because this thing I think it will be tricky. Okay, question 5. Question number 2. What is the question is given? 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy and plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8x z. Okay, this is the question. So you see how I can arrange all these things so that I can put some formula and solve this problem. So this one I can write this one root 2 into x whole square. Okay, and y square is written in the form of y square only, and 8z square I can write. So 8z square I can write it is 2 root 2 into z whole square. So you see 2 square means 4 and root 2 square means 2. So it will become exactly 8. Now you arrange this one. 2 into a means root 2 into x, and b means y. So now is coming root 2 xy. 2 root 2 xy. Okay, exactly same. Then we put it plus. Okay, now the problem is that if I go to apply the formula, then there should become plus, but they have given is minus, so something I have to put minus. So let's check which term should be minus, whether y or x. So you see this term is consist of x, this term also consists of x, and both terms are coming with respect to minus only. So that's why I have to put minus where? Here. So if you put here minus, then you see exactly the same result I will be obtaining. Minus root 2x. So it will become minus 2 root 2 xy. Now you see here. So here yz. So y means which one? Y means y. So 2 into y into z. Z means 2 root 2y. 2 root 2 into z. So you see 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 and root 2. So 4 root 2 yz. And the third one will be 2 into zx. So z means 2 root 2 into z, and x means what? Minus root 2 into x. So 2 to the 4, there will be 2. So 2, 4 to the 8. So minus 8 xz. Okay. Now, so it is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So it is exactly minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Okay, so this should be the answer. In a similar way, you solve the first question. The first question is given 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square. So I can add the 4x square, I can add 2x whole square. Then next one is 9y square, that is 3y whole square, and the third one is 16z square, that is 4z square. So in this way I can add this so that I can apply some identities and solve the problem. Okay, just pause the video and try to copy the problem. Okay, now I'm moving towards question number 6. They are telling write the following cubes in expand forms. Okay, so expand form, I'll do only one or two problems. The remaining problem will be solved by you guys. Question number 5. Sorry, question number 6. This should be. Question number 6. I am doing which one? Question 3. 3 by 2 x plus 1. This cube. Yeah, cube. So this is which formula I will apply? A plus b whole cube. X plus y whole cube. So I can put x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, this formula. So x cube. So 3 by 2 into x cube plus y cube. Y cube means 1 cube. 3x, 3 by 2 into x into y, and bracket x plus y. The x means 3 by 2 into x plus 1. So it's come 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 27 by 8 into x cube plus 1. Here it will become 9 by 2 into x into 3 by 2 x plus 1. Okay, so it's come 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2x. Okay, in this way I can solve this also. This is very easy, just put the values in the formula or identities. Okay, from here I am solving another question. Suppose question number 2. 2a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b whole cube. This is very simple. So So why I'm choosing this is because I have to apply minus formula also here. So I can write 2 a whole cube. So what will be the formula for minus here? I'm just writing the formula along with this one so that nothing be worried about that things. X minus y whole cube. On that get x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay. So this thing have to happen here. No, a cube minus b cube. B cube minus means 3b whole cube minus 3a. A means 2a into b. B means 3b into x minus b. That means 2a minus 3b. Okay. So it will be, pen is not working here, so it will be 8a cube minus 27b cube, or 3 3s are 9 2s are 18, minus 18ab into 2a minus 7. So you can write another line, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus, so 36 square b, so minus minus plus, or 54, yeah, this guy. So this is the answer. So just we have to put the identities and we have to put the value of a and b or x or y. So then I will get this results. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 7. The question number 7 is exactly as we done in case of x plus y whole square formula. Here also they have given some numerical value and without multiplication we have to, without doing numerical work, we have to do this through the application of identities. Suppose I'm taking question 2, number 7, question 2, given 102, yeah, 102 cube. So I have to put the identity. So I can write this one 100 plus 2. Okay. So this 100 plus 2 I can write a cube plus b cube, that is 2 cube plus 3 into a means 100, b means 2 into a plus b. That's very simple. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 3 6, okay, plus 8 3 to 6 600 into 102. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 8 and 6 2s are 12, 1 612, 2 zeros are there. Now after addition of that one, whatever the results will come, this will be the my results. Okay. So in this way, other two questions are there, so you just solve it. So whatever the results will come here, you just put it. So whatever the results will come. So this is 61,000. This is 10 lakh. But it will become 10 lakh 61,208. Okay. So this is the results. So other two I am not doing. The question 99 I can write 100 minus 1, and the third one is 998. So 998 I can write 1000 minus 2. Yeah. Okay. Now I am moving towards question number 8. There is a lot of questions given. How many questions they given? They given around 16 questions. Oh. Okay. Now I am moving towards question number 8. So question 8. Okay. They have given I'm picking any random question. Suppose I'm taking question number 4. (64) a cube minus 27b cube minus minus 144 s square b plus 108 108 ab square. Okay, this is the question. So in such cases I have to first identify which one is A and which one is B. So you write this one 4a whole cube minus this one I can write 3b whole cube. Now just you put the identity. So it is then a square b ab square. So this is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus ab. So in this way, so I can arrange these things. So what is the formula? 3a square means 4a whole square into b. B means 3b. Okay. Now plus 3a means 4a into b 3b whole square. Okay, now check. Is come 3 into 16, that is 48. 48 into 3. Or you can do 3 3s are 9. 9 into 16. So 16 into 9. So it's 54. So 5. So 144. So it's come 144 s square b. S square b. And similarly here. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4. 27 into 4 is coming 28. 4 2s are 8. 10. So 10 is 8 ab square. So in this way I can arrange all these parts. Then it will be a cube. That means 4a minus 3b whole cube. So this is the answer. Okay. So remaining questions also the same pattern. Just you guys solve it at home, and if any problems are arising, you write on comment section. Still I am giving doing another question of such kind of. This is question number 5. That is the last question. Some fractions are there, so I am doing that one also. Question number 5. Question number 5 is given 27p cube minus 216 minus 9 by 2 into b square, and the next one is plus 1 by 4 p. Is it? Yeah. Is it? So 27p cube, I can write it is 3p whole cube, and this one is 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay. Now arrange these things. Minus 3 into a means 3p whole square, a square, b means 1 by 6 inches. Means 1 by 6. Now you see, you cut this one, this will be 2, and 3 square means 9. This come like that. Then plus 3a means 3p into b means what? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 square. So 1 by 6 square means 36. So if you cut by 9, it will come 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 p. Exactly, it's nothing a formula, that is a minus b whole cube. Okay. So while seeing the question is like a little bit more difficult, but though it's not difficult, it's just put on the identities and solve the questions. Okay. So I'm erasing this one, and let's move to question number. So there is, I've left in the beginning 3 questions. That is question number 1, 2, 3. So all are the same type and same pattern. So you just go through once and you will get these things. Now they are telling to verify some questions. So here 2 questions are given. I'm solving one only. Suppose I'm doing question number 2. 9, question number 2. They are asking me to verify. That means what I have to show? x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. I have to check this one, whether this one is right or wrong. So let's start with right hand side. So right hand side, if you start, this comes x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, just directly multiply. So x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus xy square minus y cube. We just check x square y, xy square is cancel. So x cube minus y cube is equal to left hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. That is very right. Okay. In this one I can solve the first question also. That is given x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square. Actually, though this is one kind of identities. Okay. So this remind also. So in this way I can verify whether this equation whether these identities are wrong or right. Okay. Now moves on the question number. Factorize the following. Question number 10. What is question number 10 asking? They are asking suppose question number 1, 25 no, it's 27 y cube 27 y cube plus 125 z cube 125 z cube. So you see, you can write this one into 3y whole cube and this one equal to 5z whole cube. Now we know the formula of which one? We know the formula of x minus x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay. Now, so what will be the x plus y? X cube plus y cube. So it will be x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so from that formula only, that identities I also got this x plus y, x cube plus y cube identities. So here also this is x cube plus y cube. So what I should be right? X plus y whole cube, that means 3y plus 5z whole cube minus 3xz, 3 into x means 3y, z means what? 5z, z means 5z into x minus y, that means 3y minus 5z. This should be plus. Okay. So what will be this result? 3y plus 5z whole cube minus 3 is a nice of 45 yz into 3y plus 5z. Okay. So then you can multiply this one also, 3y plus 5z, or you can keep it in this way. Okay, if you keep it in this way only. So this is the result. So in this way I can solve the second question also. 64 m cube plus 343 n cube. 343 I can write in the form of 7 whole cube. Okay. So just pause the video and copy this one. After that, I'm shifting towards question number 11. What is question number 11? This question number 11 is a new questions, I think. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube and minus 9xyz. Okay, so I can write this one 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Okay, so we have an identity. Which identity we have? Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to, I can write which one? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, and so this is the formula. So this one exactly the same formula, x cube plus y cube z cube minus 3, but instead of x there is written as 3x. Okay, so the remaining everything is same. Okay, so now when I can write, so this is x plus y plus z whole cube. So yeah, so 3x plus y plus z into x square. So x square means 3x square, that is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. So xy means 3xy minus yz. Yz will be yz minus zx. Zx will be 3xz. So this should be answer. Okay. So this is nothing, just mind the reminder and put on that reminder, put on that identities, then you will get the answer exactly. This is very basic questions. Okay, I think you guys pause the video and copy this as soon as possible. Now I am shifting towards question number 12. Verify. Here also they are asking to verify a question. Okay, so let's now move on question number 12. What they have asked in question number 12, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz. You have to verify with this one, half x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay, so we have to verify whether left hand side and right hand sides are equal or not. And okay, so for that we starting with right hand side. So right hand side is given half of x plus y plus z and x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay, so this is the right hand side. So we know the formula, just we can give the formula here. So it will be x plus y plus z, and if we put the formula, x square minus 2xy plus y square, here also y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2xz plus x square. Okay, now half of x plus y plus z, then you see here x square and there is another x square, that is this comes 2x square, similarly y square also 2y square y square plus z square 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, now I'm using this one. So now you see, so I can get 2 common, so 2 and half will be cancelled, so I can write here half into x plus y plus z, and here 2 common, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy, yeah, minus yz minus z. So this will just cancel. This will become x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So what is this? This is exactly one formula. Which formula is this one? This formula of this one. Which one? X square plus y square plus z square minus 3 sorry, mistakes. This should be cube. So it should be x cube y cube z cube minus 3xy z. So this is the right hand side. This is the this is the left hand side. Left hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So whatever they could mention, these are the correct. Okay, there's nothing. Just here we give the identities and just addition that one, then 2 cancel, then it's come in the form of like this, and this is exactly one formula that we know before. Okay. Now question number 13. Okay, I hope you solve this one. Just pause the video and solve this one. Now question number 13. What does question number 13 say? They are telling x plus y plus z equal to 0. And what does else is telling that x cube plus y cube equal to 3xyz, and I have to prove. We have to prove. We have to prove what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, now, so what is the solution? We know if this is true, we have to put, then I can write this one in the form like this: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. If they are asking this one, that x cube plus y cube plus z equal to 3xyz, then on that case what I have to prove? So I can bring that one, then this is the 0. I have to prove that this term is equal to 0. Okay, now what I can write in this sum? This time I can write this is x plus y plus z, and this is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now this term they are given 0. So if multiply this term with 0, that will become 0. So whatever they can give, we have proved that one. That is proved. Okay, very simple. You just give this identity and put the value of x plus y plus z, then enter the results. That is 0. Just pause the video and copy this one. Then now question 14. What does question 14 says? Question 14 is we done before also such kind of question. That means they given some problems and question number 2. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 15 cube plus they have given minus 13 cube. So we don't have to do anything, just to we have to put the identities and just solve the problem. So this is a cube plus b cube plus z cube. Okay, Okay, now we know there is a formula: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So if I put this term on right hand side, that only comes only x plus y plus z, whatever we need. So I can write x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to what? 3xyz. This will become on that side, this will be positive. So plus, and this remaining term, that is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, minus zx, z and this is x. Okay, so ultimately this is our requirement and I have to put these things. So the identity will be this one. Now I'm putting this one. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So what will be the result? It will become like that: 28 minus 15 minus 13, that is x plus y plus z, then square 28 square plus minus 15 square plus minus 13 square, then minus x 20, writing here only, minus xz, x means 28, y means minus 15, minus minus 15 y and z minus 13 minus 13 into x 28. Okay, so we had to do nothing. You see, this is 28, this is 15 plus 20, this is also 28. So this is plus 28, this is minus 28. I can cancel this one, and this term ultimately come with 0. Okay, so 0 multiplied with the whole thing, this would also gives me a result equal to 0. Is it clear? While I am giving x plus y plus z, if you calculate this one is 28 and here's 15 and this is 13. So 15 and 13 is gives also 28. So as a result of this, sum equal to 0, and if I multiply the whole term with 0, this will give me 0. Okay, so ultimately the result will become 0. So this is a simple manner. In this manner I can do the other questions also. Here the second question will be the same. The first question will be the same. They have given the terms 12, 7 and 5. So if you minus 12 they have given. So if you add 7 and plus 5, then it will give plus 12, and whereas minus 12. So they will cancel each other and ultimate results will come 0. Okay, just copy this one. This is the identities. I can arrange identities in such a way, that is x plus y. I take it on the right hand side, then I will only get the x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So it's in the form of like that: 3xyz, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square into minus xy, minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now let's move on. Question number 15. It's a little lengthy chapter, but very easy. We don't worry about them because all these identities we know before. One or two identities are the questions. Okay, now question number 15. Question number 15, they are saying that they have given some equations, and following equation in the form of an area. So we know area of a which one? Area of a rectangle. Which one? We know this is a rectangle, or this is side A, this is side B. Then what will be the area? Area will be A into B. Okay, so I have to arrange. They given one equation. I have to arrange in such a way that I can put it in such a area. So I'm giving question number 2. What does it given? 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay. Okay. So I have to arrange these terms in such a way that this becomes in term of 2 area. So what will be the area? So 35 I can write it as 5 into 7, and this 12. again 12 I can write 3 into 4. So now I have to subtract and match 13. I multiply this one and this one, so it comes 28 minus 15. Yeah, that's 13. Okay, so how I can arrange this one? So 35 y square plus 28 minus 15 is given 13 y minus this middle term factor as we done in the previous chapter. So is come 35 y square minus plus 28 y minus 15 y minus 12. So 7 I can common y. So is given me 5y plus 4. From here I can get minus 3y and 3 I can come out, then is 5y plus 4. Okay. So I can write this one in the form of like that, 5y plus 4, and this one I can write 7y minus 2. Now see, so this equation, this expression I can write in the form of a into b. So what will be the rectangle's area? So rectangle area will be, once they are asking about the sides, length and length. So length I can take 5y plus 4 and breadth I can say 7y minus 3. Okay, so in this manner I can solve the other questions also. The first question is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So I can also solve this one. So very quickly I'm solving that first question also. (25) a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay, so 12 into 12, so 5 into 5 and there is 3 into 4. I have to 35. Okay, so 20 plus into 15. So 20 plus 15 equal to 30. Okay, that is 25 a square minus 20 plus 15 into a plus 12. So I can write it is 25 a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. 5a common, that is 5a minus 4 minus 3 common, so 5a plus 4. Okay, minus 4. Okay, so is come 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3. Okay, so which will be length? The larger one will be length, the smaller one will be breadth. So how I can find? Because 5a is fixed, so one is 4, another is 3. So if I minus 4, this is the larger term, so this will be the smallest term and this will be the lowest term. So I can say my length will be 5a minus 3 and breadth will be 5a minus 4. This is the answer. Okay, now the last question, that is question number 16. Is it clear? So we just solved this one expression in the form of a into b. So because the rectangle area is in the form represented in the form of a into b, so I can represent this one in the form of a into b. Okay. Okay. This polynomial chapter is very interesting. If you get these things, these are the very easy and it's also very interesting. Now they are giving a questions in the form of like the possible expression of a dimension of a cuboidal whose volume are given. Okay. This is question number 16. They are asking a cuboidal. Cuboidal means a three-dimensional. Suppose this is my objects. I can write this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So volume of cuboidal I can write A into B into C. So whatever the expression they have given, I have to put in the form of A into B into C, and then I can find the possible sides. Okay, so I'm doing question number 2. Very easy. This is the last question. 12k y square, yeah, plus 8ky minus 20k. Okay, so you see the first of term, you see each and every one consists of a 4, so I can 4 common, and k is also everywhere, so 4k I can take common, so the remaining is 3y square, 4 common 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Okay, now you middle to factor this one. 5 and 3 I have to minus, so 5 minus 3, that is very easy. So 4k, and this term will come 3y square plus 5 minus 3 into y minus 5. Okay, so it will become 4k into 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Okay, so this comes 4k, and if I common y, so 3y plus 5 and minus y common, minus 1 common, so 3y plus 5. So this comes 4k into 3y plus 5 y minus 1. So I can write this is in the form of a, b, c. This is a, this is b, this is c. So these are the possible 3 sides of a cubic. And the first question is 3x square minus 4. Oh, first question, I'll just give you a detailed idea for first question. Very easy, this one given question number 1. 3x square minus 12. So people may confuse here. They have given 2 terms and they are asking about 3 terms. How I can identify this one? So on the situation, it's nothing. You just take the common. So 3x is common. So it's come 3x and only x minus 4. So you see 3x equal to 3 into x minus 4. So this is 3 term. This is a, this is b, this is c. So these are the 3 possible sides of a cubic. Okay, so with this I am finishing this chapter. This is exercise 2.5, and I hope you guys get all the problems, and I left a few of the questions, and I think you will solve these things. But still, you guys have any problem or any doubt, you can write on the comment section. I will definitely try to solve this issue. And one thing I will also want to say, match these answers whatever I done with your question books answers, so that if I do any mistakes, you can acknowledge me for that things. And with this I am finishing polynomials, and thank you, and we will meet in the next chapter.